G'day everybody, just a quick update video this week. Firstly, I wanted to say to everybody out there, all my viewers, very Merry Christmas. Thanks for being viewers all year, I really do appreciate that. Usually around about this time of the year, every year, I do a bit of an update video just to sort of let everybody out there know where we are with the channel and what's upcoming. To start things off, we've got some really exciting news coming up in the new year in terms of a new sponsor, so stay tuned for that. Trip-wise, we've got a lot coming up. We've got a very big trip which is going to be coming up in January and will probably air in around about February on the Patreon channel. So make sure to stay tuned for that and jump over to Patreon if you haven't already. In terms of other journeys and other destinations that we regularly do, unfortunately, at this time of the year, I happen to work a very seasonal job for my day job. I don't do this full time. So my day job is keeping me working around about 40 to 50 hours a week, unfortunately, at the moment. So I'm having to film a lot of stuff very close to home and only getting about one day to do shooting. So that's probably why you've seen on the channel very recently over the last sort of, 3 to 4 weeks where we've been doing a lot of things that are close to home. Don't be discouraged by that. We will be going out and checking out lots of different places in the new year. Early in the new year, things will slow down with my day job and I'll be getting back to normal programming. We'll resume normal scheduled programming where we're going to be visiting parks and lakes and rivers and waterfalls and all the rest of it like we usually do. I just wanted to let you know that that's one of the reasons why you're not seeing the usual content you do at this stage. I guess in terms of everything else, that's pretty much about it. I hope everybody's been enjoying the content all year as much as I've been enjoying sending it out to you. We've seen the channel grow in the last year from probably about maybe 100, 200 subscribers last year. I can't remember what it was last Christmas. I've got it written down somewhere at home. We're now up around 1,200, which is really fantastic. It's a testament to all of you out there who watch religiously and subscribe. I do appreciate that once again. Can't say that enough. I'm hoping to grow the channel more and more and more. Let me know in the comments down below. Every time I'll say it till I'm red in the face. Let me know in the comments down below where you want me to go, what you'd like to see, if you're enjoying the current content, because this channel and what I do is only fed on by what I get from you guys. So the more comments I receive letting me know about what you'd like to see on the channel, the better. Also, a very big thanks once again to all of my sponsors who've been with me since the beginning. Greenslopes Auto Electrics have been with us since the very beginning of things. We've got Unplug Ultimate Outdoor Adventure Gear, who've been very gracious in giving us some equipment to use. We've also got one of the big sponsors of the channel, which is City Rubber Tyres and More. We're really happy to have them on board, combined with Yokohama. They're a great supporter of the channel. And as I mentioned, we've got very big news coming up in the new year, so stay tuned for that in terms of sponsorships. Well, that's about it for me today. I just wanted to take the 5 minutes that I've got spare here at Tingalpa and just, send a bit of an update to all of you out there. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.